So it's November 6th. Last night was thunder and lightning again. I hope the transformer is fine. I'm going to buy a lightning arrestor and have them installed. I'm sort of not wanting to do this anymore. I want to protect it. So I bought the fuse from Lazada. And they're going to install it for me. So they have to do this carefully. It's high voltage. So I have to do this carefully, like okay, everything's working fine. Thanks. The lightning arrestor came the same day when they were installing the fuse. The cost for this is out of your pocket. It's $3.5. And they're going to add a hot links, they call it. I'm not sure exactly what a hot links is, but from the high voltage to this a restore, there's going to be a hot links. I guess once they install it, I will understand what a hot links is. This is rated for 10 kVA. There is no part number. So marking there. What is it? Arrestor. Made in China. So I'm not sure what to say. No part number. Maybe I'll check it up from Lazada for reference. 3 to 4. So they're going to have another power maintenance in about a couple of weeks, and they will install this. Oh, these fins are rubber. I thought they were metal. I think it's just to protect water. I thought, yeah, if this ever goes bad, I'll cut it in half and to see what's inside. Just for just to find out what's inside another store like this is. So